Why are dolphins so intelligent? Discover the scientific truth. Did you know that dolphins are so intelligent that they can recognize themselves in mirrors and even communicate with complex sounds? But why does this happen? Let's find out now. Hello, I'm Natalia, an expert in curiosities from the animal world, and today we're going to explore the incredible capabilities of dolphins and understand why they are considered one of the most intelligent animals on the planet. Why are dolphins so intelligent? Discover the scientific truth. Before we start, subscribe to the channel. Give it a like to show that you are also a fan of the animal world and share this video with your friends so that more people can discover these fascinating mysteries of nature. Don't miss any content, activate the bell and come explore the world of animals with us. Dolphins are animals that have always aroused human curiosity, and it is not difficult to understand why. They are aquatic mammals, belonging to the cetacean family, which includes whales and porpoises, and can be found in almost all of the world's oceans. These animals are known not only for their gracefulness when swimming, but also for their impressive ability to interact with the environment and other living beings. But, after all, what does it mean to be intelligent in the animal kingdom, and how do dolphins stand out in this regard? In the study of animals, intelligence is a concept that encompasses several abilities. Among them, the ability to solve problems, communicate effectively, use tools and even demonstrate empathy. When we apply this definition to dolphins, we discover a living being that goes far beyond just acrobatic jumps and charming smiles. Dolphins have a brain that is proportionally large in relation to the size of their body, which is already an indication of their intelligence. This organ is highly developed in areas responsible for processing complex information, learning and memorization. Furthermore, the structure of the dolphin's brain has folds very similar to those of humans, something that is related to the ability to deal with diverse and new situations. A fascinating example of this intelligence is in the way dolphins communicate. These animals don't just make random sounds, they use clicks, whistles and pulses to convey specific messages, and each sound can have its own meaning. In fact, each dolphin has a unique whistle that serves as a kind of name. They are able to call each other using these whistles, something that is compared to the use of proper names by humans. In addition to communication, dolphins have an advanced sense of self-awareness. Experiments have shown that they can recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare behavior among animals. This suggests that they have a sense of their own identity, something that only a few species such as elephants, great apes and humans have demonstrated. Another impressive feature is the dolphin's ability to work as a team. They hunt in a coordinated manner, using well-defined strategies to surround schools of fish. This coordination is the result of planning, communication and adaptation, all characteristics that reinforce how intelligent these animals are. These factors make dolphins true wonders of the animal world. They not only intrigue scientists, but also delight people of all ages, showing how intelligence can manifest itself in extraordinary ways in nature. Why are dolphins so intelligent? Discover the scientific truth. Dolphins are truly remarkable creatures, and their intelligence is one of their most attention-grabbing features. To fully understand why these animals are so intelligent, we need to explore their brain capabilities, communication skills and social behavior. Brain capacity. One of the first things that strikes us about dolphins is the size of their brains. Compared to the body, the dolphin brain is proportionally one of the largest in the animal kingdom, surpassed only by humans and some other cetaceans. But what does this mean? A dolphin's brain is highly developed in areas related to cognition, learning and memory. This makes them extremely adept at learning new tasks, solving problems and adapting quickly to their environment. Not only do they have an excellent memory, but they can also process and store complex information. The dolphin brain also has a special characteristic, the neocortex, which is the part of the brain responsible for functions such as sensory perception, reasoning and decision-making. The dolphin neocortex is as complex as that of humans, which is a clear indication of their ability to perform advanced cognitive tasks. Complex communication. Dolphins have a highly sophisticated form of communication. They don't just make random sounds, they have a repertoire of clicks, whistles and sound jumps that they use to communicate with each other, form groups and coordinate actions. Each dolphin has a name, or rather a unique whistle that identifies it, and other dolphins can call them by name. This type of personalized communication is quite uncommon in the animal kingdom and demonstrates an advanced level of social interaction. Furthermore, dolphin communication goes beyond simply exchanging information, it involves emotional and social aspects. Studies indicate that they are able to recognize the emotional state of other members of their group through the tone and frequency of the sounds emitted, which makes them capable of establishing emotional connections with their peers. Self-awareness and recognition in the mirror. Another fascinating aspect of dolphin intelligence is their ability to recognize themselves in a mirror. Few species in the animal kingdom possess this ability, which is an indication of self-awareness, that is, the ability to understand that the reflection in the mirror is in fact one's own image. Experiments carried out with dolphins show that, when faced with a mirror, they can identify marks on their skin, something that suggests an advanced level of understanding about their own identity. This behavior is not observed in many other species, which makes dolphins' ability to perceive themselves as individuals even more impressive. Teamwork and planning. Dolphins are known for their ability to work in groups. During the hunt, they demonstrate an impressive ability to plan and coordinate their actions. They form alliances to surround schools of fish, using tactics that require efficient communication and mutual understanding between group members. This cooperation shows how their intelligence goes beyond simple problem solving, it involves collaboration that is essential for the group's survival. A classic example of this behavior is the bubble fishing technique, where dolphins create a curtain of bubbles around fish to confuse and capture them more easily. This strategy is not only a demonstration of intelligence, but also of teamwork, as several dolphins need to be in sync for the plan to work. These cognitive abilities, added to their advanced communication and ability to work as a team, make dolphins extraordinary examples of intelligence in the animal world. They show us that intelligence can manifest itself in many different ways and that, in the case of dolphins, it is an impressive combination of brain and complex social and behavioral skills. In addition to their incredible cognitive and social abilities, dolphins have a special connection with humans that is both fascinating and inspiring. Since ancient times, these aquatic creatures have been associated with intelligence, friendship, and even salvation, playing surprising roles in various cultures around the world.